Goose 45 Enterprises Inc. presents Dog Meowser uses hurricane powers in Lion Troopa's classroom / grounded. And it was inspired by Zukin 2K8 and Tyler Strand. Class, today we'll be doing some history too. So take out their notebooks and start working on it. I'm going to use a hurricane in Lion Troopa's classroom because I hate my teacher so much. Hi ha 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 hi ha ha. Doc Bowser, why did you use a hurricane in my classroom? Explain yourself, young man. Well, I need to use a hurricane like that because I wanted to use it right now before as well. What? Oh my god. Doc Meowser, how dare you use a hurricane in my classroom? You're the hurricane user is to use it right now because it is for ocean, the weather for National Weather Service, not a classroom in the school year. That is it. Go to the principal's office now. So, Doc Meowser, why are you here in my office? I use a hurricane in Lion Troopa's classroom because I hate my teacher so much. What? Oh my god. Doc Meowser, how dare you use hurricane powers in Lion Troopa's classroom? You're the reason like it's against the law right now. That is it. You're suspended for a week. Go home right now when I call your parents about this. No. Doc Meowser. Bomb TABM has called us today that user hurricanes in Lion Troopa's classroom. What is the matter with you, young man? I'm sorry, Mom, Dad, and Meowser Jr. because I teach you so much, and he always gets me and my friends into trouble for stupid reasons. So what? Let's not give you a reason why you troopers in the classroom that you're not using hurricanes in teacher's classroom is against the law right now. Now they have it all wet right now, and now they have to clean up to get it all clean because of you. That is it. You were grounded for a week. Go to your room right now and think about what you have done. Wait.